Welcome to Sec Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Maths Exercise 7.1. Question number 1 to 10 will be done by my student Zygam in 10 minutes. 10 questions in 10 minutes.
10 questions in 10 minutes. Okay.
How to start? Okay.
Resume.
Okay. Start.
Yep. Okay, so integration of sine 2x is equal to, my bad, minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus c.
Very nice.
Integration of cos 3x is equal to sine 3x divided by 3 plus c.
Good.
Let's move to the next question. Integration of e raised to 2x is equal to e raised to 2x only, but if we integrate 2x, then we will get, in terms of e raised to e, then we will get 1 by 2 and then plus c.
Okay, actually we have to differentiate 2x, that will be 2.
Yeah.
We are putting in the denominator,
We
dividing.
we can take u also.
No, that is for the small things, not required.
Okay, then ax plus b, the whole square integration. So n is equal to 2 and then integration n plus 1. So 3 divided by, and then over here, this is a constant, it will go away. And ax is there. So x will come. So x square, x not plus, not plus, x square by 2 plus c.
No, wrong.
No? Okay.
Ax plus b, this is not like a chain mechanism, no. Ax plus b power 3 divided by 3, then differentiate. Differentiate ax plus b.
Yeah, we have to differentiate ax plus b.
Plus b is a. That a, you have to put it. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Why you commit this mistake?
Because I did it purposefully.
Okay. Okay. Okay, do it.
1 by a. Okay. Now we will go to the next question.
Bit faster.
What? Where were all the questions? It went away. Oh, this question. Okay. So integration of sine 2x is equal to minus. Integration of sine 2x is equal to minus cos x divided by 2 minus 4 e raised to 3x divided by 3e plus c. Okay. Integration of 4e raised to 3x is equal to 4e raised to 3x divided by 3 plus 1. Integrating 1 is x. So don't remove this. Let's go to the next question. Integration of x square plus, so we can directly multiply this x square. Multiplying x square with 1 gives x square minus multiplying x square with 1 by x will give 1. Why 1? Because multiply, cut 1. Okay. So finally we have this integration of this one. X square minus 1 integration will be equal to x cube divided by 3 minus x plus c. Integration of a raised to x plus b, bx plus c is equal to ax cube divided by 3 plus b a raised to x cube divided by 2 plus cx plus c.
Plus d. Here,
Plus d.
instead of, here don't put c.
Okay.
Okay, you may put k or something because already c is there, and mention k is a constant. Okay.
Whether there is one more word related to k.
But okay.
Okay. Now we'll go to the next question. Next question, 2x raised to 2
No.
plus e raised to x. We are going to integrate this. So integrating x square. Many of the students will write 2 down, but we have to integrate. When we integrate x square, we will get x cube divided by 3. I did this mistake. I wrote 2 down and I cut it and I was very smart. I was very happy. Okay. Integrating x e raised to x only. Okay.
This one deleted. Okay.
Okay. Oh, that's the answer. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Okay, we can, what I'm going to do is basically apply the identity because I can see it. A minus b raised to a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, 2ab plus b square, and then over here we have this identity. We're going to use this identity, and a is equal to root x square. Can I write directly?
Okay, do it.
If we are taking the square of root x, oh my god, 5 minutes left. If we are taking the square of root x, then we'll get x
First term.
minus 2 into a. A is root x, okay, and b is 1 by root x, okay. Next, and then these both will get cancelled. Why? Okay. And b is 1 by root x square. So when we are squaring 1 by what is?
It won't go. It won't go.
When we are square.
You have. Oh yeah. One more.
Okay. If we are squaring 1 by root x, then we'll get 1 by x. And then finally we have to integrate this, okay? We have not finished yet.
No, we have not finished yet.
Yeah. X square by 2 minus 2x. These both will go, nothing will be over here, then x will come. Because there is 1 by x. And if we integrate 1 by x, we'll get log x plus c. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question. Oh, next question.
Okay.
And over here there is nothing. There was
Okay,
nothing.
just to summarize it.
So there is 1. Yeah. Summarize it. Okay. So timing. 5 minutes discount. So I thought I'll finish it in like a 15 or.
Sin x differentiation is cos x. Sin x integration is minus cos x.
Oh yeah.
Okay, this 2x, what you have to do, you differentiate, it will be 2. 2 will, you divide the integration value divided by 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Divided.
And some people will write minus cos 2x by 2. No, it is wrong. By 2. Or minus 1 by 2 cos 2x.
Example me.
Okay. Then, when you are writing final answer, write the number first 1 by 2 e power 2x plus c. Question number 3. Question number 4. 1 by 3a ax plus b to the power q plus c. Students, please note down, copy it. Okay. Question 5. Always 4 minus 4 e power 3x divided by 3. It is better to write minus 1 by 2 cos 2x or minus cos 2x by 2. Zygam, please note down, minus 4 by 3 e power 3x, okay, plus c.
Noted, sir. I noted already.
Okay. Question number 4, 6, 8 did very wonderful. Okay. Very nice. First, always simplify the integration content. Then integrate it. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Question number 11 to 22 will be released in tomorrow.
Released. This was the trailer, guys.
Okay. See you.